Awesome. Ankur, good
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I like it very much. I
Thank
think
you.
it's a little long. You could have made this within a minute, maybe.
Okay.
There are a few bits like I see that you have chosen the best stuff and kept it in. You not tried to go for too much of different things. Maybe something like, and I like that even though the burger thing is a static thing and pretty simple, I think it comes back to break the momentum a little bit, which is it works in a nice way in the edit somewhere. I'm not watching this one person sequence continuously, and I like that it breaks, gives me a pause here where I can collect the thoughts of what I just watched, and it goes back to this. I like it. I see you're trying to. I see what kind of skills you have, what you're trying to show me. I see you have good anatomy skills. Yes, you will maybe develop with more time and work. You will get into in betweening and smoother motion, but I think it's totally there. So as a small studio or a studio in general who's looking for assistants to get for in betweening or cleanup, I think I definitely will hire somebody like you who has good anatomy skill if my project needs that kind of sensibility. You know, so I think this is totally like very good. Like you're showing a lot of good potential. Even I like the sequence a lot. This is also cool. Let's see again. I think somewhere later, I started feeling ki, okay, by now it could end. Maybe I thought it's going a little like this stuff. I see maybe like I see what your plan is, and I know it's work in progress. So maybe before you release this reel, try to finish it because that bit looks really cool. Finish it in the sense clean it up a little bit. Maybe that is what your finished thing is, but maybe clean it a little more and add it. I think that will make a good showreel material. And when he does this swipe right, I felt like this is the best outro you could have. He does that swipe and your name appears, your contact appears, which does not happen right now. That's one thing. That's my feedback. I don't know if in the beginning, okay, your name comes here, but how do I contact you? Where is your email?
Yeah.
Where is all that? Right? I like that you credited music. So I feel like maybe all this black gap that you left, it can be tighter. Like this so many seconds just go. I get it, maybe it's on music beat, but shorten it. I would say shorten it. I think your reel can end in a minute, and that's better. Like end
Okay.
somewhere here. Okay.